yeah, he do, look. Right lane for the win. He got him, y'all. Sounds legit. Appreciate the follow, the fine one. Mama. I done went and bought this battery pack that I got now. I can have my phone plugged up and it still be down. It still be uncharging. I forgot the correct word, but no, this ain't the Home Depot. This Dark Soul. No, this ain't Home Depot. This Ace Hardware, man.
Yeah, that's it.
This Ace Hardware. Where y'all going, man? I'll take Ace Hardware for the win. That little thing over there be getting it though. Which one y'all want? Homeless Depot or the Infinity? Oh shit, he got some juice. I'm back over here now, man. I'll take Homeless Depot before they go. Let it eat. For the win, y'all. Homeless Depot done made it come through. Let me see. Okay, well. We got Hev, DV, Essery. Appreciate the follow, man. I don't know how, what we need to call you. Look like Hennessy, but yeah. Okay. So look out, you live tomorrow? No. Not that I might go live in the daytime and try to play with the little microphone and try to make a song or something, play around, talk. I don't know. Oh, so what's up, Souk Mike? Souk Mike in here, y'all. Boy, I got a, Souk Mike, do you know, what's his name? He been in here all day acting a fool. Acting like how you be acting. What's his name, y'all? I done damn near forgot his name. Team Supercock, Thundercock. You know Team Thundercock, Souk Mike? Boy, Team Thundercock been here acting up, man. We got Jimmy X in the building, y'all. Appreciate the follow. Yeah, we got Team Thundercock in the building, y'all. He been acting up all day, Souk Mike. Been leaving bits and shit all night. Oh, I thought you knew him, man. Souk Mike, wasn't that you who told me about the stream boss? I got it up there on the right top hand corner. It ain't moved all day. It said Kevin was somebody. I don't know what to do to make it switch or move. It ain't moved none. I don't know what the hell it is or who Kevin is. I don't even know Kevin. Yeah, but I'll probably go live tomorrow. Everybody out? Oh, that was the last race, y'all. I'm over here. I've been having a good night with y'all. Lord of the Rings still want to see something. Look at it. I'm finna go look. Yeah, so what I'm thinking about doing, is going live tomorrow, probably. I don't know when, but Saturday, y'all make sure to check me out on Saturday. I'm gonna be in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm gonna be recording some drag racing, as long as they got some good signal. I also got a offer. Man, I do got a lot to talk to y'all about. I got an offer for some I know I don't usually do this, but now somebody talking about they want to pay me to come do
the drone,
RC.
25 cents a minute.
Nah, they ain't doing the drone, and that's pretty cheap. The drone gonna cost
$1 a minute.
nah, $400 a day.
Damn.
$400 a day. That's what the drone costs. You want to get that drone pulled out? I think that's a good number, man. 400. It's people paying $300. I know people getting paid $300. They ain't got no drone. So
What?
I know people get paid $300 a day for filming, and they don't got no drone. So shit, if I pull out that drone, if I put out shit, Redneck talking about I need to go to 600. And if you look up anybody else that's a professional drone pilot here, they 700. So, you know what I'm saying? They 700. I'm trying to give a good deal because they say, man, you starting from the bottom. I'm like, okay, I understand. I got you. I understand. I don't want no problem.
$100 a minute. Hell yeah.
400. You ain't got the fold? Just let me do my thing. Am I cold? Nah, I ain't cold. I got a cover all on. I got my lookout cover all on. It keep me warm. Roy 4A, appreciate it, man. Put that up there. Fractal. Kill. Damn, fracture killer.
$100 per minute.
But yeah, I got somebody, you know, all the racing game, they ain't really been interested in paying anyway, but I did get somebody email me a couple days ago about a